Planning a move from Mississauga to Chateauguay? Even for a long-distance move, a little preparation makes all the difference. Let's break down costs, key considerations, and simple tips to keep your move smooth. For most households, moving from Mississauga to Chateauguay $1,800 to $4,500. The price depends on the size of your home, the number of items, and optional services like professional packing or storage. Several factors impact the total cost. Volume of belongings. More furniture and boxes require bigger trucks and extra labor. Route and access. Traffic, parking, or building access can add time. Extra services. Packing, unpacking, or storage increase convenience but also cost. Save money by decluttering your home before the move, packing some items yourself, and comparing quotes from multiple moving companies. Booking rates and timing. Timing matters. Weekends and summer months are usually more expensive, while midweek or off-peak moves can save money and make scheduling easier. No matter your schedule or budget, 3 movers can make your Mississauga to Chateauguay move simple and worry-free. Their team handles everything from packing to transport, so you can focus on settling into your new home.